Hey, we're Bird Calls and welcome back to the channel. I'm Akea.
And I'm Risha.
And we are back at it. It is speed date time. We are reacting today to Dark Winds, 1970s thriller about the Navajo tribal police, pretty much solving mysteries from what we can see.
Solving cases. Dark Winds is interesting because I feel like you brought this one up a long time ago, and then we've also had people suggest this one, and we kept meaning to get to it. So I'm excited to see. Everyone says it's great.
AMC is always a good watch, usually.
We love AMC.
So, all right. Oh, and anyone who's not familiar with our speed dates, is pretty much how it sounds. We dip our toe in a show, watch the first episode. If we like it, you like it, and time permits, we will commit down the road. We'll see. So let us know in the comments if this is one of your faves. All right. So let's get into it. Also, make sure to check out our Patreon if you want early access to our content, among other things. Oh my God.
Okay.
I'm sorry, is this what they use to transport money in? This looks like an Amazon truck. Or a UPS truck.
Well, now they're just armed trucks. I'm still caught up on the fact that you have a helicopter.
My partner! But he's in the bathroom!
No, it's organized.
Yeah.
I got help coming! You're gonna be fine!
Oh my God. Damn, the cops are in on it. Of course. Like you said, there's a helicopter, so.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Once there's a helicopter, like, this is definition organized crime. Wow. And, like, you can't chase them.
No? Like, what are you supposed to do? Drive along with the helicopter?
Yeah. You can do your best in your car. And were those all bags of money?
Right. Like, how much did they get?
Wow, okay. And so that job took, what, 5 minutes? Long con, though there was, like you said, a police officer involved.
Oh.
You don't have to do this, you know?
That's enough. Open it. Slowly. Put him back.
The drama of the zoom in.
If I catch you stealing artifacts again, the hole you'll be digging will be a lot bigger.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn.
Why did he say you don't have to do this? No, we don't say who is it.
God dang.
I'm Anna. Come in.
Taka atrashit ishileishsa. Velakana peshna tashinalen. Dolujunta. Ita ishsata.
Damn.
Okay.
Wait, that's not the room they were in, right? It is?
I hope not. Oh god, is that dude? Oh my god! Not the throat is slit. The range of crimes in one day. Okay.
In a handful of minutes? What happened?
Not the
Matten! Trouble, police!
Okay, what are they saying happened in this room? Oh.
Is that the girl?
No.
Oh, no. What in the world?
God, the truck is huge.
Yeah, that's wild. What did you see?
Tell me that's not... Oh no. Is that her mom?
She's in shock.
Anna, son,
Maybe we should talk inside.
you arrest her? You think I'm gonna let you set foot in my house?
Anna was killed at the Big Rock Motel last night.
Damn you!
What's the history
Now
there?
they're both dead!
Both.
Are you happy? I said, are you happy?
How?
We're sending her body to Flagstaff for an autopsy. But the scene suggests foul play.
Did you catch who did it?
No, not yet. It's a federal crime.
Since when did the FBI give a damn about a dead Indian?
Why is it federal?
Of all people, should know that.
I don't know. Because homicide, I thought it only became FBI when it like crossed state lines or something.
Right. I was like, was it not on the reservation or?
A lot of bouncing around they're asking me to do right now. I need a minute.
My God, getting stranded out here in the 70s? Oh.
Ew. Why is he so happy about it? Is this the FBI agent? Oh my gosh, so 1970s, these are like literally the colleagues of Duster.
Still walking in slow motion.
Got a visitor, Lieutenant. Jim Chee.
Who?
He says you're expecting him.
Lieutenant Leaphorn. Sorry I'm late. Jim Chee.
Oh, okay.
Have we met?
I'm your new deputy.
Oh.
Deputy.
How long you been with the tribal police?
3 months working in Window Rock for Captain Largo as his adjutant. Looks like you guys could use the help.
A few of my men enlisted. Did you serve?
I went to college.
Get out an AM for free card, huh?
Did that get you out of the... Wow, okay.
I didn't know that.
You caught me in the middle of something. Sergeant Manuelito is my number 2. She'll show you the ropes. Welcome aboard.
You got a uniform?
It's in the car.
Well, go get it.
Yeah, why aren't you wearing it?
I'm still caught up on you're about to start working in this area and you left those people stranded? Officer.
Sometimes, late in pregnancy, as the fetus grows, there's less room for it to move. Nothing to be alarmed about. Everything's
Oh God.
normal. Were you planning to deliver here at the clinic? Because I would like to strongly discourage against a home birth. It's dangerous.
Washington bilahe basada ho jesho to hanina nisna ista.
She'll think about it.
Okay. Suit yourself.
That's a powerful lady right there.
Yeah, what's going on there?
Oh, wait, budget is shot.
I have to go.
Talk about between a rock and a hard place.
Yeah, and what happened that she's making, she's wondering why she can't feel the baby. Is that one of the both that we lost?
Can I help you?
I'm looking for Lieutenant Leaphorn.
You got him.
I'm here about my grandfather.
The officer in Window Rock said that you were handling the case?
Ew, why are you giving us such creepy vibes?
No leads, no idea who may have done such a terrible thing. Well, I'm afraid I can't comment on that, Father. I'm staying at my grandfather's place until his services are seen to. It's out by Many Ruins Canyon, right? I don't mean to take any more of your time, Lieutenant.
Okay.
Father, I didn't get your name. Benjamin So.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I'm questioning whether or not that was your grandfather.
Right. Were you in a helicopter 3 weeks ago?
Many didn't you take the Jesus road anymore?
No. You don't, do you?
We're all on the same page.
On a good day, we got 50 tribal officers to patrol 27,000 square miles. You break down out here, you lose radio signal. Could be hours before somebody even notices that you're missing. You smoke?
No.
People around here will tell you more for a pack of smokes in an interrogation room. Grew up here?
Shiprock.
How long were you gone?
9 years.
You still have family in Shiprock?
Well, my mom died, I kind of lost touch.
You are back now.
Yeah. Were you on a helicopter 3 weeks ago?
No.
Crap anyway.
God.
Assholes looking for something to show off back to Kansas or Missouri. People like you.
I'm from Nebraska.
Still an asshole.
Protection.
Yeah? From what?
Dark energies, evil beings, shapeshifters, and skinwalkers.
People like you.
You spend as much time on this reservation around people who believe it, you start to believe it too.
Hey, Lester, what about these here?
Wife's taking up a new hobby. I think they're ugly as sin, but white people have no taste.
You're late.
Well, it's good to see you too, High Pockets. Lester?
Hey.
It's my new deputy, Jim Chee.
Let's get on with it. I don't want to spend my whole damn day here.
Yeah, please explain why we need you.
Why go to the trouble of staging the scene like a damn bear is in the room?
It's the same reason the killer took the man's liver and eyes. Spooks people around here. See, the Dene believe that talking about witchcraft or even speaking in the name of the dead invites more death. Even if people know something, they're not likely to say. Smart, actually.
I just had to look at the other one.
Anna Atsity, age 19.
19.
What's the cause of death?
I was hoping you could tell me.
Canyon to Chile to Monument Valley is a hell of a long drive for a lay.
She's not a prostitute.
Well, what in the hell was she doing in the motel room with the man?
Male victim appears to have been in poor health. Looks like he's there to get a healing.
There's no token here.
There was a token.
All the other pieces are here, but the token is missing.
Load these bodies up. I want to get back to Flagstaff before dark.
God, what a freaking nightmare that you give the bodies to these people who don't give a shit.
You'll get back to me on the cause of death of the Atsity girl?
Do you know that gal or something?
2 people were murdered. Isn't that reason enough? There's a witness, by the way. It's the girl's grandmother, Margaret Cigarette. They left her unharmed, probably because you can't ID them.
Why is that?
She's blind.
Hear anything?
Don't know. She was in shock at the time.
That all looked just great in my report.
Well, I think you should question her again. Go with you if you'd like.
Yeah, that's interesting. They're not just killing to kill.
You hear about this armored car robbery down in Gallup? The one they used the helicopter for?
Thought we were talking about a double homicide.
Both. One hand washes.
Why don't you talk about mine first?
I got 5 eyewitnesses placed that hijacked chopper headed north into Navajo country.
You know, my people have a saying for white folks that steal from white banks. Belagana, but that it. White people's problems.
Well, who said they was whites?
I will pretend that your bank robbers are Navajo. If you pretend my 2 murder victims are white.
Oh, love that.
Which one of us does our job quicker, huh?
Quick. That was quick.
Also, like, I'm fine to do a scratch your back, scratch mine situation. The problem is you're not holding a fucking sponge. So you do what you're supposed to do first and let me know cause of death.
Okay.
Where'd you get that?
She was wearing it.
What's it doing here?
It's just a jacket.
Get rid of it. Promise me.
Yeah. Out of all the girls on the res, why do it have to be her? The feds are gonna screw this up, too. I know it.
I got something you can do. It's an address.
Whose?
Young pregnant girl came into the clinic today. I just want to make sure she's not in any trouble, is all. It's the feeling I have.
You get a feeling? It always ends up being more work for me.
I was gonna say, she's in trouble.
Hey.
Gorgeous view. I'm not really into desert like that, but it's a gorgeous view.
It's beautiful.
You know, the other day at Short Mountain, you noticed the token was missing from the ceremony.
Grandfather was a medicine man. He already let me hang around and help out with some of the ceremonies when I was a kid.
You know, it could have been the killer who took it.
Maybe it was something valuable.
No, he didn't bother with the money or the girl's jewelry, so.
Personal.
There's something he thought might tell who he is.
What is this?
Knife was found on Navajo land. Copper deposits on the blade, that's why it's yellow. I wrote my thesis on the interconnectedness of the northern and southern Athabascan peoples.
You went to college.
And you came back.
You thought you're the only tribal officer with a college degree?
If you consider ASU a college.
I'm happy that he has depth, you know? Thought he was just gonna be an FBI agent who was an asshole.
Yeah.
How long has he been up there?
Since yesterday.
Leave him be. Has she spoken at all?
You're welcome to try.
Leaphorn onste. Nitsui da yeskenigi hosta. Potadas and detsata. Was Anna seeing anyone?
No one. Since.
Did she say?
She said no one since, so something, yeah.
Okay,
something.
so this same person.
Wait. Oh. I found this in Anna's things.
Gosh, is it his son that died?
I don't know.
Take care of yourself, sister.
Oh, maybe she was seeing his son?
And he died.
Yeah, this truck is huge, but I would love to drive this car. I would love to drive this car.
Huge, and the wheels are so small.
Oh, so the jacket was his.
It's just interesting that his wife was saying to get rid of it.
I don't understand.
Does he really not understand? Oh God, who knows? Who knows what's going on in here?
Tribal police! Have a look around back.
Let's all be real thoughtful.
So I'll say, should we pull weapons?
Anyone home? I'm Officer Manuelito with the Tribal Police. Does Sally Growing Thunder live here?
No. Yeah, Ananda.
Are you Sally?
She's my daughter.
Any particular reason you lied to me just now?
What do you want with her? She hasn't done anything.
I need to speak to your daughter. Alone.
Wait, how old is she? I mean, if she's under 18, you probably do need her, no?
I don't know, but whoever is, whatever man we're hiding in this house, it's just like I said, let's all look alive.
He just comes by sometimes. Can I go now?
Hey. But don't look at her.
I'm fine, officer.
What was that? Hey, you said it was just a...
Would you like to come inside?
What the hell? Oh. Oh, hell no.
Officer.
Oh. What are you doing?
Wow, the way they just filmed that is
Oh my
wild.
God. Okay. Okay. Call. Oh my god.
Chee! Let's go!
Nah, we need to come do something to this house, because, we got, mm-mm. No, the way they filmed that was crazy, because
What are we doing here, Sergeant?
Yeah, I gotta clear some energy.
Get you a pouch of juniper ash and corn pollen. Keep it with you while on patrol. Sometimes the best protection isn't your 38.
Keep that in mind.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah.
And I'm still wondering about Father Ben out at the house.
It is creepy, so.
Yeah.
What's it with you Navajos and being late?
Just because we're on Indian time.
Why are you here?
What the hell am I doing here?
Well, I thought you might enjoy seeing a little piece of film history.
Are you a plant?
If he is, I don't think he knows it yet.
My wife and I, we stayed in the Tyrone Power Suite for our anniversary one year.
I mean the res. What am I doing here?
Oh, is your homecoming off to a bumpy start, Chee? Now, I'm assuming you heard about them old boys took down that armored car up in Gallup. That helicopter was last seen headed into Canyon de Jelly.
You think that the bank robbers are Navajo?
Radicals.
Aim.
Ripping off armored cars doesn't seem like their MO. Buffalo Society.
Why would the Buffalo Society be here?
Not a bad place to hide out if you're a bad Indian doing bad.
So what exactly do you want me to do?
Navajo land is the tribe's jurisdiction, but if the FBI found a tangible lead, we could go to the tribe and negotiate a joint task force.
Why does Leaphorn call you High Pockets anyway?
Do you report directly to me?
No.
And what about the 2 homicides?
I put you here to find that helicopter.
Jesus.
And when you do, we get to write our own ticket out of here. DC, Chicago, New York, whatever you want, it's yours. Don't go forgetting which tribe you belong to.
Pat is who I thought he was. Is this Father Ben?
Father?
I'm terrified every time a door opens.
Yeah, for real.
Uh-oh. I feel like I'm just waiting for him to come across a helicopter.
I mean, they said that the moment that helicopter went over that property, he felt a sickness. I wonder if Father, or whatever his name is okay. Which means he might want to get out of here. No! Oh, God, I thought I was going to drink it. I was like, God.
Something in the water.
Something contaminated.
Where the helicopter landed. They contaminated the water.
Yeah, let's test this lake, shall we?
I mean, if it's hard to get a body checked, I wonder how hard it is to get water checked.
Interesting. What is that? What are we looking at?
I don't know. It's intense.
No, it isn't intense. Like, that was an intense start for sure. The energy in that episode was crazy. It was just a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, like it was scene to scene. So much going on.
That scene with the mother was so creepy. So
also
creepy.
Just like knowing there was another person there, but wow, some of the dynamics that we're seeing, obviously, like the translation in the clinic, and then how the FBI is handling things. I understand. I mean, the fact that we saw this referred to as a psychological thriller, it is interesting to see that play out.
Yeah, for sure.
from start to finish, I just feel like so much happened because I even forgot about was the girl's name Abby? I even like where, that happened so early on.
Right.
We just started like what, 3 mysteries?
Yes.
3?
Well, I mean, we've got the bank robbery. We've got.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. So the organized crime, the armored car robbery.
The armored car robbery. We've got the girl who's pregnant, who's got something going on at home.
What's going on at the house?
The murders that happen in the hotel.
Yes.
And then.
Is that it?
I think that's it.
Okay.
It's a lot. And there's definitely, I love the spiritual tie-ins as well. Like that seems to be a major player in this.
Yeah. It definitely, I will say, I mean, from a pilot standpoint, it's an incredibly strong pilot just because so much just happened.
No, I mean, you're definitely asking yourself, what the hell is going on here? Oh, and also, so the father guy just wasn't there? Is he dead? Like, we just don't know.
We don't know where Father Ben is. But also the angle of Pat being an FBI agent.
Right. Is he an FBI agent, or are they just trying?
He said, I placed you here, and he's also like, he was surprised to see him as his deputy, so it feels like he's an FBI agent pretending to be a deputy, or an FBI agent who is a deputy, and then they would be working together. I don't know how casually you call someone special agent when they're not an agent.
Well, and the dynamic between him wrestling between the way he was brought up and
wherever he is now.
Yeah, wherever he's going now, which is kind of hard to read considering we were introduced to him doing kind of a dick move, but then he seems to be a decent cop, so it's like, who are you?
No,
you're right. He does have depth.
Yeah, but it is interesting though. Like when we initially saw him, like that is, let it be known. What you see is what you get. Okay, we saw who he was. We can't get caught up on the token recognition.
No, the character.
He is a dick.
The character exposes itself in a lot of little ways.
Yeah, no, that was because, like I said, I got questions about everybody. We still don't know. I mean, we can assume that that's his son who died, and now it's their daughter, and that was his sister.
Obviously, there was some kind of bad blood there, but maybe because of their relationship. Who knows? And I do like this head guy. He seems no nonsense, and he's not afraid of the FBI guys. I love the way he talked to them.
He knows where he is. He knows his situation. He knows his people.
I just don't know how much that gets done because it doesn't, like, even though he talks to them like that, they are just like, whatever, I don't care about those murders in the hotel room, which is so frustrating to see. But I'm sure so accurate.
Yeah.
All right. Nice pilot. 1 out of 10. What did you give it? I'd say 8.
I was going to say, I'd say we're talking 8. I think it's an 8.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Dark Winds with us. Great speed date. If you like what you see, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our new Patreon. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We're bird calls. That's what we do.